if you're experiencing high ping on your Steam Deck, there are several steps you can take to improve your connection. Follow these steps to help reduce your ping and enhance your gaming experience. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and fast enough for online gaming. Run a speed test to check your download and upload speeds. If your speeds are low, consider upgrading your internet plan or troubleshooting your connection. Step 2. Use a wired connection. If possible, connect your Steam Deck to your router using an Ethernet cable. A wired connection typically provides a more stable and lower latency connection compared to Wi-Fi, which can help reduce ping. Step 3. Optimize Wi-Fi settings. If you must use Wi-Fi, ensure that your router is set to the optimal frequency band. Use the 5 GHz band if available, as it usually offers faster speeds and less interference compared to the 2.4 GHz band. Position your router closer to your Steam Deck to improve signal strength. Step 4. Close background applications. Before gaming, close any unnecessary applications or downloads that may be using bandwidth on your Steam Deck. This will help free up resources and reduce the load on your internet connection, leading to lower ping. Step 5. Change game server region. In the game settings, check if you can change the server region to one that is closer to your physical location. Connecting to a server that is geographically near can significantly reduce ping and improve your gaming experience. By following these steps, you should be able to reduce high ping on your Steam Deck and enjoy a smoother gaming experience.